This is the BottleMatic 16.2. This is the new total solution that includes the print stand manufactured by Dispensed that allows you to attach an MSSC SmartJet Blue thermal inkjet printer. This can print expiration dates and other varying information on a label that you can then label your containers. This expiration date here that's printed above the not for wording was printed with this printer back here. So if you have a product where you need to attach an expiration date on the label, and that's not something you can print on a roll of labels, you can use a system like this that can then get your expiration date printed right there on the label as it's dispensed. A little bit of a more detailed overview of the machine you can see here. Here's the SmartJet Blue printer on that stand. Your labels come off the top of the label roll, under the printer, down, and then back towards the front of the machine, where they can then be applied to your container.